And in a statement on Somalia we issued yesterday evening, the Secretary General strongly condemned the deadly terrorist attacks that took place in Mogadishu yesterday, directed against the offices of the Benadir Regional Administration and in the surroundings of Villa Somalia. The Secretary General extended his deep condolences to the victims' families and loved ones. He reiterated the full support and solidarity of the United Nations with the people and federal government of Somalia. The United Nations remains committed to supporting the people of Somalia in the pursuit of peace, stability, and development, or SUNFICIP. Maggie?
Farhan, on that Somalia attack you mentioned at the top, today the Shabab's military spokesperson said that James Swan, the UN Special Envoy for Somalia, was the intended target of that bombing. Do you have any information on that? What's your reaction?
We don't have any particular information connecting the bombing to Mr. Swan. As you're aware, there's a considerable amount of violence in Mogadishu, and we've expressed our concerns about that over the years. And Mr. Swan had been present at that site, but that had been some time prior to the attack. So we don't have any particular information connecting it to the targeting of our envoy.
Have you spoken to Mr. Swan? Is he safe? And will there be any additional security measures for him in light of this threat against him, this public threat?
The Secretary General intends to write both to Mr. Swan and also to the UN staff in Mogadishu. So we will be conveying a message to them of our solidarity with their work and of our concern for their safety. Edie? Yes, whenever there are any sorts of incidents, we review all security measures, and we will take the necessary measures. Yes.
As a follow-up to that first, how concerned is the Secretary General at Al-Shabaab actually saying that they targeted the United Nations envoy? Is he angered, outraged?
Any threats against any UN personnel anywhere in the world are a matter of grave concern for the Secretary General. We want to make sure that all of our personnel everywhere are protected and are able to go about their work free of any hindrance and free of any threats. At the same time, like I said, we don't have any specific information that would connect this attack to